Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make hard scrambled eggs. What are hard scrambled eggs? Let's get cooking and I'll show you. So hard scrambled eggs are pretty much what most Americans are used to. It's the style that you get at a diner or a restaurant. It's typically cooked to the point where they're just really, really dry. So start off with just a little bit of butter. I'm going to go ahead and add my eggs. Okay, so I've added the eggs to the skillet. We're cooking over a medium-high heat. Basically, you just want to keep scraping the bottom of the pan, the sides of the pan, kind of forming those clusters of cooked egg. And then you also want to break it up. So basically what you're trying to do is make sure that you cook it all the way through and it's really kind of nice and set and dry. If you don't like runny eggs or runny yolks, this is the scramble for you. So you just kind of keep doing that until they fully set. The key here is to cook out all of the liquid. You're doing it over a high heat, it's quick and fast, and it's what we refer to as hard scrambled eggs. If you've ever been to a diner, this is exactly the style of egg that you would get. So as you can see, there's a little bit of moisture over here still, but this part is all nice and dry. So I'm just gonna flip that over, break that up. And there you have it, hard scrambled eggs. Super easy, right? This method is what most Americans are used to. I'm just gonna top it off with a little cracked pepper and some flaky salt, and they're good to go. That's all it takes. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If there's something that you wanna see, hey, drop a comment below and let me know. I'm always looking for inspiration. And if you like to cook like I do, I release new videos every single week, so please subscribe. I would love to have you as a viewer. Now I'm just gonna have scrambled eggs. See you next time.